Hi Kitty, kamusta ka today? Good afternoon.
May hapon, everyone. I'm okay. As you can see, the weather's getting better.
Kit, were you able to celebrate the King's Day celebration in the Netherlands?
Siyempre, pero secret lang. Yeah, I was able to. Simple celebration lang.
How is the former president Rodrigo Roa Duterte?
I would say he's okay. Today, he ate lunch, but he can't remember what he ate. Basta karne. He, pero kumain pa rin siya ng snacks. The same, yung pancake, gluten-free nuts, and Coke Zero.
Is he aware of the celebration of King's Day by any chance?
I don't think so Kasi, I mean, he's not very fond of international events, no? You know, he's very patriotic na puro atin lang. Kaya hindi siya masyado nasisiyahan sa mga ganyan.
Kit, on a political side, what is your opinion about the development of the impeachment of your sister, the Vice President Sara Duterte?
That I haven't discussed with my father also because we don't wanna add to his burdens. With that naman, I have no comment with the political side of it, no. But I know my sister. I know that she can be many things, but she's not a thief. She's not dishonest. Ayun talaga. So I know that she can withstand what she's going through right now because she has her truth, and at the end that will prevail.
Kit, in Congress right now, there are really young, outstanding congressmen,
Yes.
like Congressman Leviste
I've
and
mentioned them just now to my father, Congressman Leviste and Barzaga.
Barzaga, correct?
And he's quite fond of them because I think he respects people who are like him, outspoken and brutally honest. So he's fond of them. He mentioned their parents kasi halos kabatch niya, kakilala niya. So ayun.
What's your opinion about this congressman becoming younger and younger in the lower house?
They're doing well, no? I think I don't really involve myself with it, but I think they're doing good. I think that the Philippines, the people, the masses need more people like them. Yes, they are young, but because they are young, they are more. Usually, kasi when you're younger, you're braver and you have a stronger sense of fight in you, ba? So I think, yeah, in general, we need more people like that.
Is there something that the former president wants to relate to the supporters or the Filipinos in general?
He asked again kung ilan kayo. Sabi ko, Papa, hindi ako calculator. Hindi ko mabilang yan araw-araw. But I did inform him that some supporters from the States were here yesterday, if I'm correct, Vinny Baksa, I saw from your post. Although hindi ko na-mention yung taga-Ireland kasi ngayon ko lang nalaman. But I said na there are a lot of supporters from all over the world coming to visit you here. And ayun, they're waiting outside.
Will you be staying here longer with us?
No, because I have aside from my personal life, I have my school. Kaya naka-shades ako kasi pag first visit and last, umiiyak ako kasi syempre namimiss ko yung tatay ko. So maoto ako siyang giluok-luok na pod hantod kana manggod siya pagtindog na bago na siya mag-exit. Ako ana siyang luok-luok kon. Dira sa aping puno kay lip gloss iyang aping kay man ako lip gloss. So, and sabi niya sa mga guard, what can I do? This is how my daughter wants to say her goodbye. Luok-luok na. Dumugod yun ako na siya. Antod na siya maana na siya matumba. But, you know, secretly, he likes it. He's very happy. Pag alam mo yung exit na sa corridor, yung akala niya wala nang nakakarinig, sila na lang ng guard. Well, what are daughters for? Do you have a daughter? And then, pinagmamalaki na yung ganong moment.
Kit, just to conclude this interview, is there something you want to relate to the Filipino people's unwavering support to your family?
You know, no, it's you may find my message redundant, pero all I can say is thank you time and time again, because time and time you prove that you are here, you are with us, you are standing with us and with the truth. Every day I see these new people coming to visit here, and I fly here every few months for my father, so I know how emotionally, mentally, and physically taxing it is. So for me to think of people who don't even have a personal relationship with him but are making that effort and taking the time, daghang salamat sa inyong tanan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. This is not something we take lightly. The whole Duterte family, we remember always. You know that. And like I said before, hindi lang kami lumalabas tuwing election. We are always here. Well, at least me in my own ways. But maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, and every one of you here, daghang salamat sa inyong tanan. To everyone that I will not be able to meet in person, I want to extend my deepest gratitude and appreciation for you anyway. And of course, PRRD also. So next time, sana may head count kayo. Mag-head count na kayo bago ako pumasok kasi hindi ko yan kaya, para masabihan natin siya.
Kit, on behalf of the Filipino community in The Hague, good luck to your endeavors, personal or academic. We will see you again very, very soon. Mabuhay ka, Kit.
Oo, akuan, pang tabo ng mata. Second hand lang to, pero maganda to. Galing kay regalo ni tita sa akin.
Thank you, Kit. Mabuhay ka.
Thank you.